Light and color theory in 3D environments. Light and color theory are fundamental aspects of creating realistic and visually appealing 3D environments in computer graphics. Light sources. Point lights. These are omnidirectional light sources that emit light uniformly in all directions from a single point in space. Directional lights, also known as distant lights or sunlight. These simulate light coming from a distant source such as the sun. Directional light emit parallel light rays. Spotlights. These are directed light ray sources that emit light in a cone-shaped beam, allowing for control over the direction and spread of light. Area lights. These simulate light sources with finite size, such as rectangular or spherical light sources. They produce soft shadows and more realistic lighting effects. Lighting models. Ambient light represents the overall illumination of a scene, providing uniform lightning that fills in shadows. Diffuse reflection describes how light scatters when it strikes a surface, resulting in uniform illumination and soft shadows. Specular reflection models the reflection of light of shiny surfaces, producing highlights or glossy reflections. Global illumination simulates indirect lighting by accounting for light bounds and interactions between surfaces in scene, leading to more realistic lighting effects. Color representation, RGB or red, green, blue. The additive color model used in digital displays, where colors are represented as a combination of red, green, and blue light intensities. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. The subtract color model used in printing, where colors are created by subtracting different wavelengths of light from white. HSV, hue, saturation, value, and SHL, hue, saturation, lightness. Color models that represent colors based on their hue or color, saturation, purity, and the lightness or value, brightness. Color rendering. Texture mapping, applying 2D images, textures to 3D surfaces to simulate surface details, patterns, and colors. Shading models. Techniques such as Phong shading, Gouraud shading, and Lambertian shading are used to calculate how light interacts with surfaces and determine their colors and brightness. Color correction, adjusting the color balance, contrast, and saturation of rendered images to achieve desired visual effects or match real-world lighting conditions. In 3D environments, the interplay between light and color is essential for creating realistic scenes, conveying mood and atmosphere, and guiding the viewer's attention. Shading models for realistic textures and shadows. Shading. Shading models play a crucial role in creating realistic textures and shadows in 3D environments. Lambertian standing or Lambertian shading, also known as diffuse shading, assumes that light is evenly scattered in all directions when it strikes a surface. Computes the intensity of diffuse reflection based on an angle between incoming light direction and the surface normal, suitable for simulating matte or rough surfaces where light is scattered uniformly. Phong shading models both diffuse and specular reflections. Computes the intensity of specular reflection based on the angle between the viewer's direction and the reflected light direction. Provides more control over appearance of highlights and glossy reflections, suitable for shiny or reflective surfaces. Phong shading can be computed computationally expensive, especially when using high specular exponents. Blin-Phong shading. Similar to Phong shading, but uses a modified specular term proposed by James F. Blin. Offers a more efficient computation and compared to traditional Phong shading while producing similar results. Widely used in a real-time rendering applications due to its balance between performance and visual quality. Cook-Torrance shading. Based on a microfacet theory, which models surfaces as collections of microfacets with varying orientations, computes specular reflection using the Cook-Torrance or BRDF bidirectional reflectance distribution function, which takes into account surface roughness and Fresnel effects. Oren-Nayar shading models diffuse in reflection on rough surfaces by taking into account the roughness and the angle between the incoming light direction and viewing direction. Shadow mapping, a technique for generating shadows by rendering a depth map for the perspective of a light source. These shading models are often used in combination with texture mapping, bump mapping, and other techniques to achieve a high level of realism in rendered images and animations. Lighting techniques, points, lights, spotlights, etc. Lighting techniques are essential in creating realistic and visual appealing 3D environments. Point lights. Point lights emit light uniformly in all directions from a single point in space. Directional lights, also known as distant lights or sunlight. Spotlights. Spotlights emit light within a cone-shaped beam with a defined direction and spread angle. Area lights. Area lights simulate light sources with finite size such as rectangular or spherical light fixtures. Environment maps. Environment maps such as HDR, high dynamic range, environment maps or sky domes provide global illumination and reflections by capturing the lighting formation from the surrounding environment. Image-based lighting, IBL. Image-based lighting techniques use high dynamic range HDR image or panoramic photographs to provide lighting and reflection in a scene. Volumetric lighting. Volumetric lighting simulates the interaction of light with atmospheric particles or fog in the environment. These lighting techniques can be combined and customized by achieve specific visual effects and artistic goals in 3D rendering.